right, welcome back, Nailville Foodies, and we are back again with another video, honey. Yes, listen, before you do anything, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do so, because you do not want to miss what's coming out of Nailville. I tell y'all all the time, but y'all be hard-headed. But listen, we about to do something fire today, honey. We are about to do some jerk chicken legs. And there will be more legs than that. I just only brought out one pack, but I'm going to be doing about 24, 25, something like that. And this is such an easy meat dish to make for the parents on the go, on the run. Just need to, I mean, you can do this and set this in the fridge overnight, stick it in the oven the next morning, or if you wanted to put it on the grill. But this is just for an easy meal, so we're not going to do the grill today. We will be sticking this in the oven. And guys, I have 4 simple ingredients. And yes, this is not going to be your traditional jerk. Listen, it's my kitchen. I do what I want. So we're going to kick it up a notch, honey. We got our chicken legs. We got our complete Sazon seasoning. We have some jerk rub. And we also have our traditional Jamaican jerk seasoning that we're going to put on there. But I'm going to be adding some pineapples and pineapple juice to this rub to make like a sweet and spicy jerk chicken, I guess you would call it. So just stay tuned, honey. This is finna be simple, easy, quick. You don't want to miss this, okay? And this chicken is about to be fire. How do I know? I don't know, because I ain't never put pineapple juice in pineapple. Just stick around and watch the video. We'll be back. Okay, guys, so we are back, and our chicken has been cleaned. I use my salt, vinegar, and lemon or lime, if you have it, water bath, and we let that soak for about 30 minutes. Now, what I do to my chicken, I take a knife, and I'm not picking it up because I got to pick up my seasonings, and I don't want to cross-contaminate. But I do take a knife and stick it through about 3 times through each leg of the chicken, so that the seasonings can get all the way through the chicken. So that's a very important step to do, especially when it comes to these drumsticks, because they're pretty thick at the top, and you don't want the seasonings just to be on the outside. And so, like I said, this is a pretty easy video. So the next thing we're going to do is season our chicken. Now, you can use any type of seasonings that you want, any type of like seasoning salt or anything like that. I'm just going to use some Sazon Complete on this chicken, because it's already going to be so much flavor going on in the chicken. And I'm also going to use some Jamaican jerk seasoning on here as well. Keep that mixed around on all the chickens. And now, this is about 24 chicken legs. So I'm going to basically use this whole thing on all of these. So that's why I was not worried about picking this up, because I'm going to be throwing this container away. You can smell the spice, honey. And that's all of that. And now let's go in with our pineapples. I'm going to remove one of my gloves. And how much pineapple juice and or pineapples that you want to use, that's totally up to you. Like I said, this is the first time me ever adding pineapple juice to this. And I'm also going to add some of the pineapples in here as well. Of course, I had to taste one. I'm going to add all of the pineapples in here, so that's why my hand is in the jar, guys. Chill out. And so what I want to do now, guys, I have this Ziploc bag. And this is like a 2-gallon bag, so it's huge. And I'm going to throw all of our chickens in there, along with the juice and everything from our jerk seasoning. It's messy. I'm going to pour a little bit more pineapple juice in here. And now we're going to add it to the bag. Make sure you get everything out. And I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of this juice. And guys, you don't have to add as much juice as I did, but I think it's really going to help those flavors come out in the jerk seasoning. And just make sure that you get a really good Ziploc bag. One that you can be confident, you know, they got the commercial hefty, that the package is not going to bust open. So we're going to put this in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. And guys, I will see you after that to get ready to stick this in the oven. And I will say, if you set it overnight, it's going to taste better. So we'll be right back. Okay guys, so we are back. We had our chicken in there for close to 3 hours marinating. And so now I have a shallow pan that I'm going to lay my chicken out on. And we're going to stick this in the oven once we get them on our pan for 400 degrees for about, I would say, for about an hour. All right, guys, so we got them all on here to get roasted. Let's throw our pineapples on in here. We're also going to put some of this juice on top. Ooh. And as you see, my plastic bag got away from me a little bit, but that's okay. So like I said, we're going to stick this in the oven on 400 degrees for 1 hour. And guys, we're going to taste it to see what it tastes like, to see if that, and oh, let me show you one more thing too with that, those pineapples, because it's not regular pineapple juice. It's pineapples in coconut water. So it's coconut and pineapples, and you know, those are kind of Jamaican flavors, you know? So, give me one moment. So it's pineapple spears and coconut water. And I get these guys from Sam's, and I always save the juice to use those in recipes. I've been trying out different things, so just wanted to let you know that it's not regular pineapples. It's pineapple and coconut water. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get this in the oven, and we will see you back in about an hour. Okay, you guys, so we are back, and our jerk chicken is out of the oven. Now, let me tell you something about jerk chicken. It ain't always gonna come out the prettiest because it'll look burnt. But the reason it looks like that is because the base of the seasonings in the rub is brown sugar, and we know that sugar burns or darkens very quickly, and the base of any jerk is brown sugar. So you're definitely going to get that deep caramelization when you cook your chicken. Y'all, so me and the kids been tasting the chicken throughout. Fire. The pineapple coconut. Listen, you have to try that. I definitely next time will want to soak my chicken overnight. The chicken is juicy. Y'all, it's so hot. Ooh. Ooh. Y'all see that? Y'all, I can't even hold it good. It's hot. I just took it out, literally. But the chicken is tender. It's juicy. It's spiced. Got a little sweetness going on. Listen, we about to eat. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you try this recipe. I'm telling you, y'all, it is a banger. You only gotta, when you do a flat pan like this with that chicken, and this is like 24 pieces. Well, it was 24 pieces of chicken, but we've been nibbling. It only takes an hour, guys. Such a very easy recipe. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed this. Please like, share, comment. Remember to follow me on TikTok. I think I'm going to do a mukbang and fix me a plate, honey, and get on TikTok and tease everybody. You know what I'm saying? And tell them, listen, you missing out if you ain't in. Welcome to Needleville. Do you hear me? So thank you all for tuning in once again. Remember, honey, it's your kitchen. Do what you want, and you can do all things through Christ that strengthens you.